Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create service hours app in Glide. So in case of service hours, we will be tracking number of hours particular person worked and what was their per hour rate and also the total out of that. So we'll be taking a look at a bit complex app here, right? So what we can do here is we open Excel and we will try to create one workbook out of that, right? So here we will start from id, then we will use name of that person, then hours they worked, then rate, and then total, right? So I will start with id 001, then name, let's see my name, I worked 5 hours, per hour rate is let's say 120, then total should be let's say C2 into D2, right? And we have our one entry. So we have another with 2, then this guy worked like 3 hours, his rate is 60, and we will have total for which formula I can get from the top and his formula here. So I will save this spreadsheet as service hour dot open document spreadsheet. So service hours, right? We will say yes here, and in order to preserve the formula, what I can do is I will edit that in Glide app, right? So I will just close this, go to Glide, open your Glide, make sure to add team members just in case you want to track their actions as well, right? For example, this is service hour tracker, so basically we will be getting our teammates added as well. Currently I have one teammate account, as you can see, and I will be using theirs to create this app. So I will create service hours tracker app, use large screen, click continue. Now here we will be uploading our ODS file, which is service hour. Once uploaded, you will find that in import option, right? And here you can take a look at the app that gets created out of the data that we are passing to it. So it takes a bit of time sometimes, so pay attention to these two tabs: users, as you can see, one of the teammates of our company, then there is service hours, right? And I will be using service hours here. Right now I can view this in list. Here you see the name of person, their id, their hours, and so on. Now what I can do is I will just move to the data part. Currently, as you can see, service hours has data where you see this particular edit option. I want to change this from number to formula, and oftentimes what happens is that it doesn't actually give you the formula, right? So we use math. So you can see the math doesn't appear here for some reason. So I will try and remove this by clicking on menu, delete, and then I will add another row that says total, then type I will choose math this time. Here I will use equals to, or simply use hour directly, rate into hours, right? Precision you can keep as per your requirement, simply use done and it will have the values here. So if I add new row here or from our layout, I can do so. Here as you can see it gets empty, so I will try and edit this in form. So id 003, then let's name this for chain. Here hours I work for say 7, rate is 84.2 something complex for the sake of math, and I will submit this. Now you notice we have one more entry. I will go here and rate hours, and there is one more need for total, right? That is missing so far because it's a math. So we'll add data. Notice that our total is missing from that. So in layout we will have to make sure we have all these fields, right? So meta here we can add say total, right? And we can make sure to see it at the top, right? There is also image option, but currently I'm not adding that part. So if I click on that particular entry, it will go to that person, their ID, their working hours, their rate. However, you will only be able to view the total cost they have incurred at this particular list. So you'll have to bit of make changes, right? So you'll have to edit things out and display it accordingly here as well. So a lot can be done with your app. You can change color, add additional table, show their images, and also sort them by departments, add that table as well, and then you can track individual hours and collective hours for project as well. So this can be extended as you wish to. So try that on your own.